Today we are working on a LA500 LiftMaster gate operator. The gate is locked. If you have this problem, not necessarily you will need to change the whole arm or the gate. The first thing that you want to check in order to see if maybe this is just a small repair before you have someone out and telling you need to replace everything, your arm and everything. First thing we're gonna do is open up our bolts, take off our arm. We are going to take our second bolt. We have here 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. Sorry, 10 screws to release. Okay, and now that we opened up this arm, as you can see, we have this white piece is broken. This white piece, it's called trolley nut. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we replace this white piece. 2 screws right here at the top, so everything is a star screw. 2 screws at the top here. Take it out. Now we're gonna open this part. Okay, now we have 2 more screws here. Two more screws right here at the back. To open up, and now we can have this. Took out this from the trolley. Let's take out our nut. Let's put our new nut in. See that we got the right fit. Fits beautifully. Take our cap, put it in. Put everything back in. Put everything back together. We're gonna start with the 2 screws here at the back. Okay, take this piece of metal, connect it. Start with the screw at the top. We're gonna take our back piece, put it in first. Very important. Close back our arm. We can reinstall our arm. Now we're gonna open the operator. Reconnect our power. As you can see, our bolt doesn't fit yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it fit with our limits. We're gonna redo the limits. If you don't know how to do the limits, please check our other video about how to do limits for gate operators. Okay, and we're gonna redo our limits. Perfect. Let's test it out. Works beautifully. As you can see, what we had our problem is the trolley nut just broke. You may say I'm nuts, like this broken trolley nut, but we just save our customer $1,800. Or if you're less experienced, probably someone will come and replace the whole motor. Check it out first. Maybe it's just a small repair like this.